Non-surgical hair restoration. Non-surgical hair restoration is the best choice for baldness. At Advanced Clinic, we are providing hair weaving, hair extension, volumizer for women, designer wigs. This is the best choice as hair transplant surgery is not always suitable for hair gain and hair restoration. Hair transplant surgery is not suitable if baldness area is more, not enough hair on the backside and other health conditions which does not allow for surgery. Hair replacement is done through a specifically made hair unit and it involves the integration of your own hair with its human hair, giving the most natural head of full hair. The basic feature for hair replacement are: this is a non-invasive procedure and no surgery is required. After taking the measurement, texture and type of the hair, it will take a maximum of 2 hours. It requires only one sitting. The secret of Advance's success lies in making you look absolutely natural. You can do swimming, riding, a motorbike, physical activities, and will be suitable for all types of climatical conditions. It is affordable. You can use shampoo, conditioner, gel, and cream. Advanced Clinic is an expert in doing the hair replacement by making the best suitable hair units according to the texture,